One of the smartest things that you can do to save a lot of money is to get rechargeable batteries. These are AA batteries. This is by POWEROWL. They sent this to me. It's a charger. You got 8 batteries in here, AA. I think they're 2,800 milliamps per hour, 1.2 or 1.6 volts, kind of your standard AA battery. They're going to go ahead and work in anything that you currently put a regular AA in. One of these batteries can be recharged up to 2,100 times. Think about that. So this is 8 batteries. If I were to buy an 8-pack at the store, it's going to be about $10 roughly. What's 10 times 2,000? Well, it's $20,000 worth of batteries that you're saving on because you have these. So to me, it's a no-brainer. When you get these, they're going to be fully charged. Here's what they look like. I've got my little battery tester. We're going to pop it in there and you can see it's fully charged. All of these come fully charged, ready to go. Here's a close-up for you. It doesn't take up much space at all. They give you this little USB-C charging cable that goes with it. There you have it. Super simple. Save a ton of money with these. If you have other brands of AA rechargeable batteries, you're going to be able to throw them in this charger as well. On a side note, one of the best things I ever did was get one of these battery caddies. That way I could keep all of my batteries nice and organized. So if you're tired of purchasing batteries over and over and over again, get these. You're going to save a ton with that. It's a great value. That's the POWEROWL. Definitely pick it up. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.